welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your CrushOn.AI account. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the CrushOn.AI app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on the screen you can see options like Explore, Search, Create, Messages and your profile. Tap on your profile, then on the top right corner you're gonna find Settings option. Now under Settings you can see options like Language, Auto Translate Characters Info, Account Settings, Manage Account, My Blocks, etc. Select Manage Account. Then under Manage Account, you're gonna have to tap on Delete Account, then tick on the empty box, review all of the information given on the screen, then tap on Delete Account from the bottom of the screen. Now they're gonna ask you if you want to keep the account or delete it. Tap on Delete It anyway, and your account on CrushOn.AI will be deleted. And guys, that's it. That's how you delete your CrushOn.AI account. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.